Good morning, students. Fine, everybody. Thank you. Right, today we are going to know how to make a construction of a triangle similar to the given triangle. So keep the side heading construction of a triangle similar to given triangle. Okay, for this one we have an example in page number 208. You can see there page number 208 on the top of example 5. Construct a triangle similar to a given triangle ABC with its sides equal to 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So what is the example given to us? Construct a triangle similar to given triangle whose sides are 3/4 of corresponding sides of triangle ABC. That means our given triangle is ABC. So you must understand the question first of all very clearly. So construct, that means you have to frame or you have to construct a triangle similar to given triangle. What is a given triangle here? Triangle ABC. So I go to the rough diagram. Before going to the rough diagram, I write here given. What is given to us? Sides are. Whose sides are? Whose sides are? Observe carefully. I am talking about whose. This whose represents the similar triangle. Sides. So these sides represent of similar triangle. That means given sides of similar triangle are, is, or, will be, then all these terms indicate is equal to. Very good, Nana. So is equal to 3/4, that is 3/4 of means into corresponding sides of triangle ABC. That means I write sides of triangle ABC. You observe, this is what I have written from the given question. You must be very careful here understanding whose sides, whose represents the similar triangle. The similar triangle sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Now I take this part of sides of triangle ABC to the left side. So therefore you write sides of similar triangle by sides of triangle ABC is equal to 3/4. Did you understand? Yes, it is most important to us. That means the similar triangle occupies 3 parts, whereas the original triangle is 4 parts. That means the original triangle ABC is bigger than the similar triangle. You get a diminished image, what we have discussed earlier in the similar triangles chapter itself. Okay, according to the ratio of these sides, I said you if this value, if this ratio is less than 1, then you will get a diminished image. If it is greater than 1, you get a magnified image, isn't it? Right. Now coming to the rough diagram. Nana. So the bigger triangle is the original triangle. So I take the triangle ABC as the bigger triangle, and the similar triangle which is smaller and occupies 3 parts. So I take that one as A dash B C dash. Here A dash B C dash is our similar triangle which we want to construct. Is that clear about the rough diagram and the given? Right, very good, Nana. Now we are going to see the main diagram or how to construct the main diagram. As it is not mentioned the measurements of the triangle ABC, you can take triangle ABC as you wish. If the measurements are given, you have to take the measurements. Okay, so now main diagram. Okay guys, right. Main diagram, how to draw? First of all, I draw a triangle ABC. Yes, very good. ABC. The first step is construct a triangle ABC. The second step, I draw an acute angled ray BX downward to BC. I said you, in the bisection or in the division of line segment also, why should we have to take only acute angle? Because the paper is a limited area. So by that one you have a limited area to draw the figure. Better to take acute angle there. Okay, Nana? Right. After this one, you observe among the two values in the ratio, which is the biggest value, 3 or 4. Very good. 4 is the biggest value. That means you have to take the 4 arcs here. Which is bigger, you have to take that one. Okay. Don't consider the similar triangle or the original triangle. I don't want that one. I want you to understand which is a bigger value. 3 or 4. 4 is the bigger value. So you have to draw the 4 arcs of equal radius. So I take 1 centimeter radius. From B, I draw an arc B1. Again from B1, I draw an arc B2. Again from B2, I draw an arc B3. Again from B3, I draw an arc B4. So here I have drawn the 4 equal arcs. Okay guys, 4 equal arcs I have drawn here. Observe carefully. What is 4? 4 is related to triangle ABC. So I join B4 and C. Very good everybody. B4 and C. Now take your compass. Place the compass needle at the point B4 and the pencil at B3. Draw an arc. I placed the compass needle at B4. Place the compass needle at B4 and draw an arc from B3. So this measurement, the same measurement I take from B3 because the similar triangle represents 3. So I have to stand at B3 and draw the same arc from B2. After this one, you measure this B3 and this cutting point P. So B3P is measured. The same measurement is taken from B2 and an arc is drawn here. You can observe the cutting point which is Q. Now from B3 we are drawing that arc. So now this arc is parallel to the given. Okay, right? Let me draw it clearly. I take the arc. Okay, now this line is parallel to the given line, this point. So this measurement B3 and P, B2 and Q. Okay, these two are equal. You can observe here B3 and P, B2 and Q. Both are equal. Okay, we have drawn the same arc and cutting point is marked as Q. B3 to Q is joined and this point is C dash. So you have constructed a line parallel to B4C, which is from B3 to C dash. Okay. Now similarly, I take from C. Keep the compass needle at the point C and draw an arc to cut the two lines here. Okay. The same measurement is taken from C dash and an arc is drawn here. Okay. Same way I have drawn the arc. You can observe the same measurement. Now measure from this position to this position. I am see here this my thumb is the compass needle and this chalk is the pencil. I place the compass needle at the point and another point here. Now the same measurement is taken and an arc is drawn here. Okay, now I join from C dash to this one. Now this is your line parallel to AC. It cuts the line at the point A dash. See, your similar triangle A dash C is formed here. Did you understand? Everybody. Now tell me the steps. How did we write the steps here? Right, very good. First step is construct triangle ABC with given measurements. So steps, first one, construct a triangle ABC with given measurements. Yes, very good. What is the next step? Next step, we are going to draw the angle ray. Draw BX ray such that angle CBX less than 90 degrees. Taking the third one, draw equal arcs to cut BX ray at B1, B2, B3 and B4. Next, fourth step, join B4 comma C. And the fifth step, draw B3 C dash line segment parallel to B4 C line segment and A dash C dash line segment parallel to AC line segment. Okay. So, and the last step, required similar triangle is formed. Right guys? Now practice this one and do the first question in your exercise 8.2, that is 10th question. Same model, 10th question you must be very careful that the ratio given there is 5/3. So you have to write that one and observe who is 5 and who is 3. Okay, we will discuss in the next video. Bye.